Hey everybody, why will the train to her horn? It's the fifth train. Sound. Some more. Awesome. And a Tiger train. Check it out. So I was heading ready to leave, and this train comes. Check my camera, another train. You have 5 trains. 5 trains at all, total. Curve. Symbol on this train is Norfolk Southern. Symbol is NS6KM. NS6KM. Gate's gonna go up. I don't know why. But there they go. Gate's sitting down for like 5 seconds. The 6KM underneath in Philadelphia, Illinois, goes to Seymour, New Jersey, where it terminates. On this Friday. Sunday, December 22nd, 2024, from Wild Trains on YouTube. I'm waiting for my 5 minutes. Cleaning over this train came by. I was cutting off the camera. The gates went down. Alright, it comes back to the old road.